now. All of you, please type your attendance now. Don't forget to mark your attendance, okay?
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning. Good morning, all. All of you, please type your attendance. Okay, don't forget to mark your attendance, okay? Okay. Then what we have studied in our previous classes?
Divisibility by 25.
We have studied the divisibility of 25? Yes, we have studied the divisibility of 25 in our previous class, is it? So,
Yes.
which is the next number to study the divisibility? Which is the next number?
11.
Hmm?
11 by
Divisibility by 11. Shall we start?
11. Yes.
We have to check how will we say a number is divisible by 11. For that, I am just going to share my screen. That is, you can see your textbook here. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Here, we have studied the divisibility up to 25. Here is another number remaining. That is the divisibility by 11. Okay. Okay. Here, little more complex in the divisibility 11. Don't worry about that. We have to check how will we say a number is divisible by 11. Okay, what is the rule given for you in the textbook? The rule for checking the divisibility of 11 is if the difference between the sum of the alternate digit is 0 or a multiple of 11. What does mean by an alternative digit? What do you mean by an alternative digit? Do you know what's an alternative digit? Here, for an example, here is a number given for you that is 56,251. Is it? 56,251. Look at this number. Which are the alternate digits in this number? Here, look here. The first digit is 5. Is it? The first digit is 5 and the second digit is 6. So 5 and 6 are the digits which are close. 5 and 6 are the digits.
Yes.
Okay. 5 and 2 nokkiyalo. First digit is 5 and the third digit is 2. 5 and 2 അടുത്തടുത്താണോ ഉള്ളത്?
No.
അല്ല, അതിന്റെ ഇടയിൽ ആരുണ്ട്? ഒരു 6 ഉണ്ട് അല്ലേ? 5 ന്റെ 2 ന്റെ ഇടയിൽ 6 ഇല്ലേ?
Yes.
So we can say that 5 and 2 are the alternate digits. അപ്പൊ എന്താ ഒരു alternate digit? Alternate digits എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ അത് അടുത്തടുത്തായിരിക്കൂല. അതിന്റെ ഇടയിൽ വേറെ ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും. വേറെ കുറെ ഡിജിറ്റ് ഒന്നും ഉണ്ടാവാൻ പാടില്ല. ഒരു ഡിജിറ്റ് മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ നോക്ക്, 5 ന്റെയും 2 ന്റെ ഇടയിൽ ആര് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ? 6 മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. So we can say that 5 and 2 are alternate digit. Then what about 2 and 1? Look at here, 2 and 1. Is 2 and 1 are alternate digits?
No. No.
Why?
5.
2 and 1. The third digit 2 and the last digit 1. There is a digit 5 in between 2 and 1. Is it? That's why we can say that the alternate digits are 5, 2, and 1. In this case, which are the alternate digits?
5,
Which are the alternate digits? 5, 2, and 1. So, first pair of alternate digit is 2, 5, 5, 2, and 1. Is it clear? Alternate digit എന്നാന്ന് മനസ്സിലായോ മക്കൾക്ക്? സംശയം ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചോ? ചോദിച്ചോ? പേടിക്കൊന്നും വേണ്ട. പറഞ്ഞോ. മനസ്സിലായിട്ടാ? ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോ ഒന്നിടവിട്ട സംഖ്യകളില്ലേ? അതായത് ഇപ്പൊ 56,251 5 കഴിഞ്ഞ് 1 വിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ആരെ എടുത്തു? 5 കഴിഞ്ഞ് 6 വിട്ട് 2 എടുത്തു. അതുപോലെ 2 കഴിഞ്ഞ് 5 വിട്ട് 1 എടുത്തു. അപ്പൊ ഒന്നിടവിട്ട് വരുന്ന സംഖ്യകൾ, അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ ആണോ? എന്താ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ്? ഒന്നിടവിട്ട് വരുന്ന ഡിജിറ്റ്സ്. ഇവിടെ നോക്ക്, ഇവിടെ 5 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് 6 വിട്ടിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ 2 എടുക്കുന്നത്. അതുപോലെ 2 കഴിഞ്ഞ് 5 വിട്ടിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ആരെ എടുക്കുന്നത്? 1 എടുക്കുന്നത്. മനസ്സിലായോ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ്? അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ 6ഉം 5ഉം ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ് ആണോ? 6ഉം 5ഉം? Yes or no? Chat box type ചെയ്തിട്ടോ. Yes. അല്ലേ? കാരണം എന്താ? 6 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് 2 ഒഴിവാക്കിയിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ആരെ എടുക്കുന്നത്? 5 എടുക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ 6 കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് 1 ഇടവിട്ടിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ 5 എടുക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് 2 pair of alternate digits കിട്ടിയില്ലേ? We have 2 pair of alternate digits, is it? Which are them? First one is 5, 2, and 1, and the second one is 6 and 5. So, what was our rule? Our rule was, if the difference between the sum of the alternative digit is 0 or multiples of 1, multiple of 11. അതായത് നമ്മുടെ ഈ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചില്ലേ? നെക്സ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം എന്നറിയോ? ഈ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ്സിന്റെ സം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. We have to find the sum of these alternate digits. Okay, then we know that our first pair of alternate digit is 5, 2, and 1. Please stop writing in your screen. So what is the sum of 5 plus 2 plus 1? What is its sum?
8.
It should be 8. So our first pair of alternate digits are 5, 2, and 1, and their sum is 8. Then what about our second pair? Our second pair was 6 and 5. Then we are finding the sum of 6 and 5. What is the sum of 6 and 5?
11.
It should be 11. Okay. Then look at your rule. If the difference between the sum of the alternative digit, that is, first we have find the alternate digit, and then we are finding sum. Yourself. All of you, please mute yourself. Okay, all of you, please mute yourself. That's then you can get echo. Is there any problem?
No.
Okay. No need to write now. I will say. Okay. You can see the whole process is given in your textbook in this column. We are just explaining them. Okay. You can see the 56,251. The alternate digits are marked with the curves. Is it? There is a beautiful curves is drawn for marking our alternate digits. Okay. So our rule was the difference between the sum of the alternate digit. We have to find the difference between sum of the alternate digits. We have to find the sum of the alternate digits. We know that first pair of alternate digit is 2, sorry, 5, 2 and 1. And the second pair is 6 and 5. Okay. Then after that we have found the sum of these pairs. The first sum is 8 and the second sum is 11. Now, in next step, we have to find the difference between these two sums. Okay, നമ്മള് sum കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. ആ sum തമ്മിലുള്ള difference ആണ് ഇനി കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. What is the difference between 11 and 8?
3.
The difference between 11 and 8 is 3.
3.
All of you please listen here. Okay. The difference between 11 and 8 is... Yes? വേണ്ട ഇപ്പൊ എഴുതണ്ട പറയാം പറഞ്ഞുതരാം നോട്ടിൽ എഴുതാൻ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം ഓക്കെ ദെൻ ഇനി നമ്മൾ റൂൾ നോക്ക് വാട്ട് വാസ് അവർ റൂൾ ഇഫ് ദ ഡിഫറൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ ദ സം ഓഫ് ദ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ് ഈസ് 0 ഓർ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ഓഫ് 11 നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടണം നമ്മുടെ ഓൾട്ടർനേറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ്സിന്റെ സമ്മ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് ആ സമ്മുകൾ തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ് ഒന്നുകിൽ 0 വരണം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആര് വരണം 11 വരണം ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ എന്താ ഡിഫറൻസ് വന്നത് ഡിഫറൻസ് വന്നത് 3 അല്ലേ പക്ഷേ നമുക്ക് എന്തായിരുന്നു കിട്ടേണ്ടത് either 0 or 11 0 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 11 വന്നാൽ മാത്രമാണ് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് പറയാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് that number is divisible by 11 then what about 56,251 is it divisible by 11 or not it is not divisible by 11 is it because the difference between the sum of the alternative digit is not 0 or 11 it is 3 that's why we can say that 56,251 is not divisible by 11 okay is it clear It's something difficult, is it? Divisibility of 11. No, it's for Alna, it is very easy. Then what about others? What about others?
Tough.
Okay, don't worry. We have to check more examples. Okay. After checking them, you will get easy. The divisibility of 11. So, look at your textbook. What is our second number or second example? The second example given for you is 8,998. 8,998. Then, which are the alternate digits here? Which are the alternate digits here?
89.
First pair is first 8 and the second 8 and 9 and the second pair is second 9 and the last 8 is it so
Yes.
our first pair of alternate digit is 8 and 9 so what is the sum of 8 and 9 what is the sum of 8 and 9 It is 17. And in the second pair, the numbers are also 9 and 8, is it? It is also 9 and 8. Then we know that the sum of 9 and 8 is 17 itself. Then what about the difference between 17 and 17? 0. So, in the case of the number 8,998, the alternate digits are 8 and 9 and 9 and 8. So, we have find a sum that we get it as 17. After finding the sum of the alternate digits, we have just subtracted them or find the difference between the sums. That should be 0. Then what about the divisibility? By 11 because the difference between the sum of the alternate digit is 0. Okay, we know that if the difference between sum of the alternate digit is 0 or multiple of 11, then we can say that the number is divisible by 11. Okay. Clear now? Divisibility of 11.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Don't worry, we have to check more examples to get it clear. Don't worry others, okay? Okay, by checking more example, you will get clear about this. So, here is a third example for you. What's our third example? What's our third example? The number is 18,390.
392.
You have the number 18,392. Which are the alternate digits here? Which are the alternate digits here?
1 and 3.
It is only 1 and 3. What about 2?
8 and 2.
First pair is
1, 3.
1, 3 and 2. Is it? That is first pair of alternate digits is 1, 3 and 2. Is it? So we get the first pair as first pair as 1 and 3 and 2. So we have to find the sum of 1, 3 and 2. What is the sum of 1, 3 and 2?
6.
Be 6. Then what about our second pair?
8 and 9.
Endo?
8 plus 9. 8 and 9. 8 and 9.
8 and 9. Okay, our second pair should be 8 and 9. Then we have to find the sum of 8 and 9. What is the sum of 8 and 9?
17.
It should be 17. Then we get first we have find the alternate digits. The first pair of alternate digit is 1, 3 and 2. And the second pair of alternate digit is 8 and 9. Okay. Then in the first pair, we will get the sum as 6. And in the second pair, we get the sum as 17. Now we have to find the difference between the sums. That is 17 minus 6. What is 17?
11. 11.
11 minus 6 is 11 itself. Then what about the difference? Is 11 is divisible by 11?
Yes.
Yes, we know that
Divisible by
11 is divisible by 11. Then what we can say that?
18,392 divisible
Very
by
good.
11.
Because our number is divisible, our difference is divisible by 11. We can say that the
11.
number 18,392 is divisible by 11. Is it clear the divisibility of 11?
Yes.
Okay, then shall we check a few more examples?
Yes.
Shall we check?
Yes.
Okay, then latecomers, don't forget to mark your attendance. Okay, then now we are going to check few more examples for the divisibility of 11. For that, I am giving you a question. You can write it in your notebook by writing the heading divisibility by 11. The heading is divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. Okay. Then I am giving you a number 25,312. We have to check 25,312 is divisible by 11 or not. How will we check this number is divisible by 11? All of you please turn on your video. All of you please turn on your video. Okay. We have to check the divisibility by 11. The number given for us is 25,312. How will we check the 25,312 is divisible by 11? We know that the divisibility can be checked using the rules of divisibility. What are the rules of our divisibility? For finding the divisibility, first we have to check. First, we have to find the alternate digits, is it? First, we have to find the alternate digit. Which are the alternate digits? 2, 3, and 2. First pair is 2, 3, and 2. Then what is the sum of 2, 3, and 2?
7.
It is 7, which is equal to 7. So the sum of 2, 3, and 2 is 7 itself. Then what about our second pair?
5 and 1.
Our second pair is 5 and 1. Then what about the sum of 5 and 1?
6.
Is equal to 6. Then we will get the alternate pair as first pair is 2, 3, and 2. And the second pair is 5 and 1. And we find the sum of 2, 3, and 2 as 7. And the sum of 5 and 1 is 6. Then what should be the difference between 7 and 6?
1.
Minus 6 is equal to?
1.
It should be 1. So the difference between 7 and 6 is 1. Then what about the divisibility? Is it is divisible by 11?
Not divisible.
No. How will we get now? We know that if the difference is either 0 or multiple of 11, only we can say that the number is divisible by 11. So here the difference is 1. It is not 0 or divisible of, multiple of 11. That's why we can say that the number 25,312 is not divisible by 11. So we can write it as not divisible by 11. We will get it as the number 25,312 is not divisible by 11. All of you please listen here. We get the number 25,312 is not divisible by 11. Then I'm giving another example, another number for you that you have to find the divisibility. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Miss, I need
Yes. Okay, please you can ask now. You can ask now.
Miss, need the
തരാം ഇനിയും പ്രോബ്ലം തരാം പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്തായാലേ നമുക്കിത് ക്ലിയർ ആവും ഓക്കെ For that the next number is 3,601. 3,601. The number is 3,601. First we have to find the alternate digits. Which are the alternate digits here?
3 and 0.
First pair is 3 and 1. Then what about the second pair?
6 and 0.
First pair is 3 and 0 and the second pair is 6 and 1. Is it? First pair is 3
and 0.
And second pair is 6 and 1.
6 and 1.
Then what about the sum of 3 and 0?
3.
3. The sum of 3 and 0 is 3. Then what about the sum of 6 and 1?
7.
The sum of 6 and 1 is 7. Okay, then we get the sum as 3 and 7. Then what about the difference?
4.
The difference between 7 and 3, that is 7 minus 4 is equal to, sorry, 7 minus 3 is equal to
4.
7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Then what about the divisibility?
It is not divisible by 11.
It is not divisible by 11 because our difference is not 0 or not a multiple of 11. That's why we can say that the number 3601 is not divisible by
Divisible by 11.
11. Is it clear the divisibility of 11? It is very easy.
Yes.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. What about others? Please show me a thumb if you are okay. All of you, please turn on your video and show me a thumb if you are okay.
Questions
There are many questions. Okay, Tara. So, first of all, first question is over. Second question is over. All of you, please mute yourself. Okay, the another number is 5,238. 5,238. What about the divisibility of 5,238? Which are the alternate numbers here?
5 and 3. 5
There is 5 and 3. So we have to find the sum of 5 and 3. What is the sum of 5 and 3?
8.
It is 8. Then what is the second pair of alternate digits?
2 and 8. 2 and 8.
It is 2 and 8. Then what is the sum of 2 and 8?
10.
It is 10. So first of all, we have find the alternate digits. The first pair of alternate digit is 5 and 3, and the second pair is 2 and 8. Then what about their difference? What is the difference between 10 and 8? 10 and 8. Difference between 10 and 8 is 2. So, is it divisible by 11?
It is not
Divisible by 11. Why? Here, our difference between the sum of the alternate digit is not 0 or multiple of 11. It is 2 itself. That's why we can say that the number is not divisible by 11. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I have given a question for you. Then after that, you have to find its answer and tell me it is divisible or not. The question is that 35,278. 35,278. You have to check the number 35,278 is divisible by 11 or not. Please stop drawing in your screen. Our number is 35,278. You have to find the number 35,278 is divisible by 11 or not.
Finish me.
Finish. What about others?
No, miss.
Okay, you have enough time. You can do it. After completing, you can type in your chat box, finish.
Finish me.
Okay. I will give you 2 more minutes for finishing.
Finish me.
Okay. What about others?
Miss no finish. Miss finish.
Okay, you can do it now. Don't worry, all of you can do it now.
Miss finish.
Okay.
Miss finish. Miss finish.
Okay, what about others?
Miss. Miss, 1 minute.
Okay, that's fine.
Question.
Yes, I will give you more questions for finding the divisibility by 11.
Miss, next question.
Please wait, all of you have to finish this question. After finishing this question, we have to discuss another one, okay?
Miss, finish.
Okay.
Miss, finish.
Okay, is there is anyone have more need for more time to finish this work?
Miss, finish.
Okay. Okay, then we have to discuss its answer. Then what was our alternate?
You find
What are the alternatives here?
10,278 is not divisible by 11.
Okay, okay. Then what are the alternate digits here? Alternate.
2, 8.
First there is 3, 2 and 8. Then what is the sum of 3, 2 and 8?
13.
3, 2 and 8. Sum of 3, 2 and 8 is 13. Then what about our second pair?
5 and 7.
Second pair is 5 and 7. Then what is the sum of 5 and 7? It is 12. Then what is the difference between 13 and
1.
it is 1. The difference between 13 and 12 is 1. Then we get the difference between the sum of alternate digits
35,278 is not divisible by
not
11.
0 or multiple of 11. That is the number 35,278 is not divisible.
Not divisible by 11.
Is it?
Yes.
Is your answer correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Then I am giving another question for you.
Yes.
Another question is the number 3,812. 3,812. You have to check the number is divisible by 11 or not. We know that. How will we check the divisibility by 11? For that, first we have to find the alternate digits and then their sum of the alternate digits. After finding the sum of alternate digits, we have to find
Miss,
the
finish.
Okay, Amaya finished.
Miss, finish.
Okay. What about others?
Miss, finish.
Okay, very good.
Miss, finish.
Few more minutes, is it?
Miss, finish.
Okay.
Miss, finish.
Okay, I will wait for one more minute for others to finish. Okay.
Miss, finish.
Okay.
Miss, finish. Finish, miss.
Okay, very good. We have to wait
Miss,
for others to get to finish. Is there is anyone remaining to finish this question?
6.
No. Then shall we discuss its answer?
Yes.
Is it is divisible?
Yes. Not divisible.
It is not divisible by 11. Why?
3,912 is not divisible by 11.
Yes, it is not divisible by 11 because which are the alternate numbers here?
3 and 1. 3 and 1.
All of you please mute yourself.
Miss,
All of you please mute yourself. Okay. Now, first pair of alternate numbers are 3 and 8. 3 and 1, is it? First pair is 3 and 1. Then the sum of 3 and 1 is equal to 4.
4.
And what about our second pair? The second pair is
8 and
2.
10.
Then what is the sum of 8 and 2?
10.
10. Then what's the difference between 10 and 4?
6. 6.
The difference between 10 and 4 is 6. Then it is not 0 or multiple of 11 or divisible by 11. That's why we can say that the number is not divisible by 11. So 3812 is not divisible by 11.
Divisible by 11.
Okay, is it clear the divisibility by 11?
Yes.
Okay, then I am going to give a homework. That is,
Please one more.
we have only 1 more minute remaining. That's why I am giving a homework for you. In page number 122, you can see here the page number 122. There is 5 numbers are given. That is the third one. To check the divisibility by 11. The first one is 17,270 and the second one is 17,207 and the third one is 45,353 and the fourth one is 51,111 and the fifth one is 946 and the last one is 4,452.
Miss, onukudin parayo.
In page number 122, the third one, exercise 4.2, third one. Page number 122, exercise 4.2, the third question, to check the divisibility by 11. There are 5 numbers given. Okay. You can do it as your homework before our next class.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Then,
Bye, Miss.
okay, bye.
Thank you,
Okay,
Miss.
bye.
Thank you, Miss. Bye.
Okay.